All right, so today we're talking about volume of a three-dimensional figure, and that is basically the amount of space that it occupies the inside of the figure. So it's kind of like if you had a fish tank and you fill it up with water. How much water would that take? That's the volume. Surface area, we learned last week, that was all the way around the outside, so that'd be like the glass of the fish tank. So this is the amount inside. And this is a lot easier. There's one formula, V equals capital BH, which again, area of the base, and you times it by the height of the prism. So it's pretty easy. Let's go look at this example. So right here, the area of the base, that's down here, 6 times 8. And you times it by 15. That's the height of the prism, connects the two bases. All right, so this one's a cube. So if you look at the base, it's a 4 by 4 square. So when I do the formula, I go 4 times 4, and then you times that by 4 for the height. And when I multiply that, I get 64 feet cubed. So this one right here, rectangular prism. The base on that one is the 12 and the 10. So you go 12 times 10 times 60. And you end up with 7,200 inches cubed. This locker, we're going to go 12 times 15 times 48, and that gives us 8,640 inches cubed. So nice thing about the volume of rectangular prism, all you're doing is multiplying all three numbers. Now with the triangular prism, it's pretty easy. You just have to remember, since the base is a triangle, you got to divide by 2 or times it by half. I like to divide by 2. So this one right here, my triangle, the base is 10 and 12. So I go 10 times 12 divided by 2, times that by 16. And I end up with 960 meters cubed. So again, if the base is a triangle, don't forget to divide it by 2. On this one, 3 and 5. So we go 3 times 5 divided by 2 times 12. Get 90 feet cubed. This one is a pentagonal prism. So they give you actually the base already, so it's 60 feet cubed or squared. So all you gotta do on this one is take that 60 and times it by 60. Oh, times it by 5. So ignore that 16. That's a 5. Answer still 300 feet cubed. Okay, next one. So on this one, we have our base is 80 meters squared. So on this one, we're going to go 80 times 11, which ends up being 880 meters cubed. And this problem right here has a lot of work to do, so we're just going to skip it and we're going to say we're good. So go ahead and start on the homework. Remember, you can find a blank copy in the homework calendar, or you can just do it on Big Ideas. Remember, if you have questions, you can always click on the help button, watch a video on it, or you can WebEx me between 2 and 3. That's on the class website. Otherwise, you can also text me. Some people will text me pictures of their work and I can help you. All right. Have a good day.